Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is how to import trial balance in Odoo. This is a crucial step when you are setting up your accounting in Odoo, especially during the migration from another system. The trial balance acts as a starting point for your books, bringing in your company's financial position as of a specific date. Without it, your report, like the balance sheet and the profit and loss, will be incomplete or inaccurate. So, in this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process to import your trial balance using an Excel or CSV file in Odoo 18. So first go to the accounting module and then accounting, click on journal entries, and then here you will see there are no journal entries, and beside the journal entry you will see a setting button. Click on this button and then you will see a drop down menu will be open. Select the import records here and then click on the upload data file and then select your Excel file and then open that file. Now hit on the test button. As soon as you hit on the test button, you will see a warning that you must configure at least one field to import. So select at least one field. Let's say I'm selecting the date field and the journal field. Now again hit on the test button, and as soon as you hit on the test button you will see everything seems valid. Now you can import all the records, so just click on the import button and now your record has been successfully imported. You can also check that your record has been successfully imported, and that's it. You have successfully learned how to import your trial balance in Odoo. So thank you, see you in the next